Reflecting on Integral Building by me, Mario Velazquez. Traditionally, design has been a linear process. The architect designs, the engineer calculates the structures, the builder constructs, and the supervisor checks compliance. Each step is separate with little collaboration. While this method can produce buildings, it often leads to inefficiencies, higher costs, and a final product that doesn't fully address environment or social needs. Integral building design, on the other hand, is holistic. It brings together architects, engineers, contractors, and even users from the very beginning. Instead of treating each system like lightning or a structure as independent, it emphasizes their interconnection. It also considers the entire life cycle of the building: planning, construction, operation, and even demolition or reuse. This approach doesn't just produce efficient and sustainable building, it creates healthier spaces for people, reduces environmental impact, and ensures long-term economic value. Reflecting on my own understanding, I recognize that in my current design approach, I often prioritize form aesthetics and immediate function. What is missing is a deeper integration of system and long-term thinking. For example, I sometimes overlook how ventilation strategies, material choices, or maintenance requirements will affect the building. Digging into the future, I also realize that I have not always included always as engineers, contractors, or potential users enough in the process. These gaps limit the sustainability and adaptability of my projects. Looking back, many projects I have started or been involved in, it could have benefited from internal design principles, even if I was a student. For instance, by placing greater emphasis on natural lighting and air quality from the start, or by analyzing energy performance before finalizing design choices, simply involving a multidisciplinary team earlier could have improved both efficiency and comfort. This could be difficult because of we are students, but it can have more interdisciplinary involvement. Moving forward, I have to set two goals for myself. First, I want to implement early collaboration through workshops and digital tools and building information modeling, which allow different disciplines to work together in real time. Second, I want to embed sustainability at every stage by evaluating projects with frameworks such as LEED or Passive House, ensuring that decisions support both environmental responsibility and human well-being. I know the biggest challenge for me will be breaking away from the habit of working in silos, where communication happens too late in the process. It requires learning to communicate better, to listen more, and to manage different perspectives. But I also believe this is the most valuable step I can take as a designer. In the end, integral building design is not just about methods, it's about adopting a mindset that sees building as a living system. By embracing collaboration, sustainability, and long-term thinking, I hope to design spaces that truly serve people and respect the environment, and remaining mindful while the future.